So here we're given a couple of bits of data about a line, and what they want us to do is take that information and create the full equation for the line that fits the data they gave us. So the first thing that they give us right now is they gave us the slope. So our slope in this situation, our m is equal to 1/4, which we could stick into our calculator and get out 0.25. So what we know right now, because what we're looking for is a y equals mx plus b setup, we actually know the first answer from our problem here, which is going to be the slope, which is 0.25 in this situation. What we're still left needing to go look and find is going to be the b, the y-intercept. And that's where the point that they gave us in this problem comes into play. So what they've given us is the point 4, -5. So they've given us an x value of 4 and a y value of -5. So what we can do is take the equation that we have with our y equals mx plus b and plug in the m, the x, and the y, and we'll be left with solving for the b piece, the missing variable. So the y in this situation would be -5. The m would have been 0.25. And then the x that they gave us was 4, and the b is what we're looking for. So we would go ahead and simplify the right-hand side of the equation. 0.25 times 4 is going to give us 1, and then we're going to add b to that still. And now we're just trying to solve for b, get b by itself. So I just want a -1 on both sides, which is going to give me -6 equals b. So the final bit of information that we needed for this problem was the b value. And so now we know that our actual equation is going to be y equals 0.25x plus a -6. And so the first answer is 0.25, and the second box will be -6.